everyone, today we will do Progressive Magazine Legal Dictation exercise number 9. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. In the case of Associate Builders, this court had an occasion to consider in detail the jurisdiction of the court to interfere with the award passed by the arbitrator in exercise of powers under Section 34 of the Arbitration Act. In the aforesaid decision, this court has considered the limits of power of the court to interfere with the arbitral award. It has observed and held that only when the award is in conflict with the public policy in India, the court would be justified in interfering with the arbitral award. In the aforesaid decision, this court considered different heads of public policy in India, which inter alia includes patent illegality. After referring Section 28(3) of the Arbitration Act and after considering the decision of this court in the cases of McDermott International Incorporation versus Burn Standard Company Limited and Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited versus Diwan Chandra Ramsaran, it is observed and held that an arbitral tribunal must decide in accordance with the terms of the contract, but if an arbitrator construes a term of the contract in a reasonable manner, it will not mean that the award can be set aside on this ground. It is further observed and held that construction of the terms of a contract is primarily for an arbitrator to decide unless the arbitrator construes the contract in such a way that it could be said to be something that no fair-minded or reasonable person could do. It is further observed by this court in the aforesaid decision in paragraph 33 that when a court is applying the public policy test to an arbitration award, it does not act as a court of appeal and consequently errors of fact cannot be corrected. A possible view by the arbitrator on facts has necessarily to pass rule as the arbitrator is the ultimate master of the quantity and quality of evidence to be relied upon when he delivers his arbitral award. It is further observed that thus an award based on little evidence or on evidence which does not measure up in quality of a trained legal mind would not be held to be invalid on this score. Applying the law laid down by this court, we have to examine whether the division bench of the High Court has exceeded in its jurisdiction is here now. For convenience, we shall deal with the impunged judgment and order passed by the High Court claim wise. The first claim is with respect to price adjustment escalation. The second claim is with respect to fixed cost, and third claim is with respect to escrow account. Now, so far as the claim with respect to price adjustment escalation is concerned. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.